Yes.
Hole for the sink?
Just, yeah, hole for the sink. One more thing to cut. It's a farm sink. We have to take this piece out. And that should just slide right in.
Moment of truth.
Here we go. Can James measure? This is just a preview. We still got some finished work to do. Like a glove. There it is. Ready?
Hey, James, can you tell me what you're doing here?
Yeah, so I was my buddy Chip and Joanna. You might know them. They're on TV, on HGTV. I saw them do a pattern like this, so I'm copying this board. This board is actually from an old shed we had on our property. I tore down a few years ago, just kept it. And cut it up, and we're gonna finish here, make a nice little feature wall.